Hello everyone! Today I want to teach you about PhET Interactive Simulations. This is an excellent web application provided for free by the University of Colorado Boulder. This application is especially useful for science and math teachers. PhET Interactive Simulations are web-based application, so for you to use it, all you have to do is choose an internet browser, such as I have done here. I've chosen Google Chrome, and then you just have to type phet.colorado.edu. If you are a teacher and want to register with PhET, you can do so right here from the home page. Or you can just begin browsing to see what simulations are provided in the content area that you teach. To browse the simulations, select Play with Simulations. As you can see, you can browse the simulations by subject area. When you select a subject area, such as physics, you may see another set of menu items appear. This submenu has the subject area of physics broken down into topics. You can also choose interactive simulations dealing with biology, chemistry, earth science, and math. You may choose to browse by grade level if you want to ensure that you are viewing simulations that are age appropriate for the group of students you are teaching. Today I'm going to guide you through a chemistry interactive simulation called pH Scale Basics. This is a simple simulation that you can use with students when you are introducing them to the pH scale and pH values. Students can use this simulation to discover the pH value of some common items, and they can see what adding different items together does to the pH value of these items. Allowing students to work with these interactive simulations encourages critical thinking and allows students to learn through self-discovery. As a teacher, you may even choose to project your interactive simulations onto a smartboard and use them as a class while having class discussion. Let's open up the pH Scale Basics interactive simulation. Once you have selected the simulation, you can either play it live or download it to your computer. I'll choose to play it live. Notice at the top of the screen is a drop-down menu. If I select that menu, I'll see many common items that I can choose from. You can also see the sink that we are filling with measurements in liters. Here, you can add water. Here, you can drain the solution. And here, you can reset the entire simulation and start fresh. I'm going to start by adding water to my sink. I filled the sink with half of a liter of water. Now I'm going to test the pH of the water by pulling this testing strip into the water. Notice that the water says neutral when I pour it, and when I test the pH, it is exactly 7.00, which is a neutral pH. This is important for students to know so that students can hypothesize about what adding water might do to various solutions. Now I'm going to empty my sink and start fresh. I would ask my students to choose something from the drop-down menu that they think would be acidic. Hopefully they will choose something like orange juice, vomit, or battery acid. Just for fun, and because I know that my students would enjoy it, let's choose vomit. I'm going to fill my sink with 30 hundredths of a liter of vomit. You can see that the pH of the vomit is a very acidic 2.00. Now I would challenge my students to think about what would happen to the solution if I added 20 hundredths of water, which has a neutral pH value. Hopefully, after some discussion, we would have some strong ideas about what might happen. I might even challenge the students to hypothesize about what the new pH might be. Let's add our 21 hundredths of water to our solution of vomit. As you can see, adding the neutral water made our solution just a little bit more basic. The pH level is now at 2.22. Students can continue to play with this interactive simulation to learn more about pH and how adding various items changes the pH of the solution. PhET Interactive Simulations has so many simulations that your students can choose from. They will learn a variety and be able to interact with a variety of lab-type environments. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll get some use out of PhET Interactive Simulations.